Hey everybody, it's Mattie here with Altcoin Buzz with you on this Friday. So hope you're having a good one. It looks like the market is just kind of trading sideways right now. Not a whole lot of volatility since yesterday in these last 36 or so hours where we've seen this major retracement. Things are actually up marginally, and I mean very, very marginally. It's not really any kind of a major uptick to celebrate, but that's where we are. So just a very quick update at the very beginning of this video. We're looking at really only just one story today. It should be a shorter video, as well as a tweet that we put out recently. So if you're looking now at the post-mortem, what's been happening with Bitcoin, which has now reached new lows, unfortunately, annually for 2018, we have this report by a new contributor, Romel Rodriguez, 3 reasons for this cryptocurrency market nosedive. What could have caused this major retracement? What made more than 30 billion US dollars vacate the crypto market? Here are some possibilities. Romel points out that altcoins are down in some cases more than 30%. Bitcoin, of course, has been down as much as 15%. Many people across crypto Twitter did not see this coming. Even the most successful influencers in the space were calling long contracts on BitMEX. So what could have caused this major retracement? What made more than 30 billion US dollars vanish? So number one, as Romel points out, and I alluded to this, I didn't really see any strong evidence initially, but it seems to be like more and more of a factor now that we've analyzed some things. Number one is the Bitcoin Cash fork. So many individuals are calling the Bcash fork the main culprit here. Bitcoin Cash, one of the biggest market cap holders in cryptocurrency, is being split into 2 new coins. There's Bitcoin ABC and Bitcoin SV, which is Satoshi's vision. It was just a few days ago, and it rose nearly 50% in value, only to fall back down as the fork nears. Major exchanges are halting trading for the upcoming fork. If you have an account on BitMEX or Bitfinex, you most likely received an email detailing what will happen during the fork. So this could have lowered the crypto sentiment, as individuals who don't understand the process could be weary and fearful of what's going on. Second possibility is the SEC's annual report, which it released. So the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission have been very vocal this year about digital assets and the dangers of ICOs and whether or not they are securities. One of the key takeaways is since 2017, the SEC has 20 cases to court involving ICOs and digital assets. The U.S. and Securities Exchange Commission wants to, quote, protect investors from the risk posed by fraud and registration violations against the risk of sifting innovation and legitimate capital formation. Third possibility is that, number 3, big players are taking profits and creating better positions. The last couple of months, Bitcoin and most altcoins were trading sideways, according to some guests on CNBC Fast Money. It could be some funds and institutions deleveraging. This whole retracement could be some funds and institutions deleveraging. They also said that since a big fork is happening, people tend to get weak hands and sell off some assets. What can be an even more outrageous idea is that within a few months, Bakkt will be launching an Fidelity digital assets platform as well. Some bigwigs could be trying to create better positions to get in for what could be a very nice run-up come Q1 of 2019. I think I'm more along that line in terms of my hypothesis, because it's not so much about the fear that's right, that exists right now in terms of forks or whatnot. It's about kind of using that to their advantage, calling that out and framing the issue as being about forks, when really it's about increasing their position in advance of things like Bakkt, in advance of what Fidelity is offering. But we'll have to see. It's safe to say that all 3 of these points could have fueled this drop in asset value. What are your thoughts on the current state of the market and what could be coming soon? So leave your comments, let us know what you think and what your theories are. These are our 3 proposals as to why the cryptocurrency has dipped as violently as it has. If you want to check out that interview on CNBC, here's the tweet and the video as well. So CNBC's Fast Money. Crypto's market crash could be the beginning of something bigger. And then you have here Meltem Demirors, who says that crypto is in a financial crisis, specifically says that Bitcoin is in a financial crisis. So whether or not you agree with that, we're going to link to it in the description below. You can check it out. Just a little bit of levity, guys. I know that things are kind of glum lately, but at Altcoin Buzz, we cannot find a single reason for the red day, at least not one individual specific reason. We're kind of left with our hypotheses. At least in the past, manipulators were courteous enough to spread some FUD news before dumping. Yes, that's true. There's no courtesy left in the world of crypto investors when they're looking to deleverage their whale positions anymore. So just a joke, guys. Don't take that too seriously. But it does make the point that there's no really one smoking gun that we can point to and say that, hey, this is what's caused it. If that changes, however, do be sure you're following Altcoin Buzz and Altcoin Buzz News, because we will alert you to those updates if and when they emerge. We're also, of course, on Facebook, Instagram, Instagram and Telegram. Check out our last video, guys. Check out our website content. If you choose to invest on this Friday, I wish you all the very best of luck, but have a wonderful end to your week and a great start to your Saturday, your Sunday, your weekend. Chin up, stay positive. We hope to see you guys again soon in a new video. Take care.